Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Best Buy credit card account. So most people get confused between a normal Best Buy account and a Best Buy's credit card account. So Best Buy's credit card account is affiliated with Citibank. So in order to log in into Best Buy credit card, you need to go to a website which was developed by collabing Best Buy and Citibank. So you guys can see both the logo of Best Buy and Citibank. Now before that, most people get confused and they go to this website called Best Buy. So I'm just going to be showing you guys. Wait for some time. You just search for Best Buy. Once you search for Best Buy, you just click on Best Buy over here and it's going to take you to the official website. And over here it asks you to choose like which country you're from. After choosing that, it's going to ask you to log in into your account. Well, this is the wrong website. If you want to log in into like the credit card version, you can follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. So the first step you want to do is Best Buy credit card login. Make sure you search for Best Buy and credit card login. All of these things should be when you search for it. And click on the first option. Make sure it takes you to cityrealservice.citibankonline.com over here. And once you're in this website, Best Buy and City logo, as you guys can see, you can see both of it. Over here, you need to enter your user ID. After you enter the user ID of your account, if you want the website to remember your user ID, you can click on remember my user ID. If you tick mark this every single time you come to this website, you can just enter the password and log in into your account. You don't have to remember your username. That's what it does, all right? Where it says password, enter the password of your account over here. After you enter the password of your account, click on sign on. And if the user ID and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Best Buy account. If you want to recover your user ID, if you forgot it, you can click on retrieve user ID. If you want to recover the password of your account because you forgot the password, then you can click on reset password. If you want to register for a new card like new Best Buy credit card, you can click on register your card as well, alright? If you want to apply for it, you can click on apply now, alright? And if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Guide for future videos like this.